Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share another update of gold analysis. When I posted one of the analysis for gold, it changed the direction. It was on May 16th. From this analysis, we can see that it was a perfect movement from this area here, 3170 to the top where it is now. And in the current conditions, if we are going to make this a bigger picture, we can see that probably the chances are that gold is taking this shape. If we are going to look at this blank as a picture, looks more possible that we are in this way. One impulsive movement, one deep correction, one movement down, one deep correction, and probably we can have the Z wave down again. However, we have to be very careful given that gold tends to rise without any fundamental news on the background, without reason. It can happen for many reasons, as I have discussed also on the past. It's very strange how it performs on the bullish side. But for the moment, I think that the time for the bearish wave is right now. The price reached the first target from when I posted the analysis yesterday. Today we have also FOMC minutes, and this is almost a summary of FOMC meeting that it was on May 6 and 7, and they decreased the expectations that they will cut rates anytime soon. However, the chances are that we can have also any surprise this time, given that we have also some improvement. We have Trump that is making strange jokes again, but everyone knows that probably is making only jokes with the major economies in order to reach his deals. However, we have to wait for the comments during this moment. The improvement on the inflation rate for the US is raising the chances to cut the interest rates. However, everything will be discussed soon. Probably Powell may give any hint today, but it is not FOMC meeting, so it's only minutes. Probably they may share any small information. From the current picture that we are looking at, I think that the first small movement was this one, impulsive movement, one correction, one movement, and probably the market is contracting because is waiting only for FOMC minutes. It's possible that it may develop in this area. This is a possible bigger correction. If this happens and the price can move down, it can be from any bigger population and it can test the top again. However, it can happen also that we can be only in any small correction and the bearish wave may start before FOMC minutes. I think that it should wait for FOMC before it takes another direction, but overall I'm expecting only for a bearish movement from this moment. It will become clearer after the price breaks through the first target area, and probably later it can continue. But as long as this area here is holding, I would like to be very careful because the price may stop here for a longer time and it can also spend time in this zone. So let's see. These are the possible scenarios that we may face in gold. So one is a normal correction and it can decline. Another one is a deep correction and it can decline. Or the last one that I don't like at all, and I don't see this happening given that we are expecting for a Z-wave development and it should be impulsive movement down. It can be also this type of scenario before the price resumes the bearish wave. So let's see how it will take shape today ahead of FOMC minutes. The economic calendar is also empty for today. That is why we have to be very careful because it seems to be a very boring day and only Trump and FOMC minutes can move the markets. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.